Good morning, everybody. It's Kiki with Sadhana Health and Wellness, and I am about to start my morning yoga routine. And I decided to share because I know a lot of you get up, you're rushing out the door. It's kind of hard to actually have a routine in the morning. And you can see I still have my hair wrapped up because, I got to protect, the locks. But I am not shiny in the morning. I am not brand new. I don't want you talking to me. I don't want to see people. I just need to get up. I need to get my clothes on, take care of whoever I need to take care of, get in the car, and get to work. So, that being said, this is a quick yoga routine. It doesn't take a lot. You can actually go just slide out of the bed and right onto the floor, right onto the mat. It's no more than about 10 or 15 minutes. It stretches the neck, the spine. It stretches all those places that hold tension, like our shoulders and our back and our hamstrings. So you can even do this routine when you're sitting at your desk. Or if you have like a few minutes, you can go hide in the broom closet and get your stretch on. So let's get started. All right, let's begin. Sit up straight, cross-legged in easy pose, spine is straight. Let's warm up the spine. Inhale, arms come up, reach up and out of the waist, push it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. Let's drop our left hand to the floor, reach up and out of the waist. Gonna bend over to the right. Breathe easy out of the waist. Expand those ribs. Exhale, right arm up. Let's drop the left to the side, reach up and out of the waist. Inhale, expand the ribs. Just get a good stretch. Exhale, right arm down. We're going to turn to the right. Inhale right. Exhale, looking left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Switch sides. Inhale left. Exhale right. Left and right. Inhale left. Exhale right. One more. Inhale left. Exhale right. Sitting up straight, let's drop our right ear close to our right shoulder. Left hand comes to the floor. We are stretching out left side of our neck and shoulder. We hold a lot of tension here, sitting at desks all day. Breathe into the stretch. Keep that spine straight. Stomach muscles are engaged, keeping you up straight. You can sit on a block or pillow. It's a little bit harder for you to sit up straight. Exhale up, switch sides. Left ear comes towards the left shoulder. Right hand comes to the floor. Breathe. Exhale up the center. We're going to do neck rolls. Drop the chin towards the chest. Inhale. We're going to round the neck towards the right. When we come to the back, exhale, coming down to the left. Inhale, 12. 6 o'clock. Inhale forward. Exhale back. One more. Let's switch sides. Inhale, round the neck out to the left. Exhale towards the back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale back and complete the circle. Come back up straight. We're going to lift up and out of the waist. Forward fold over our legs. That's a good stretch. We're stretching out our lower back. Your body tells you, go as far as you can, and don't overstrain and don't overstretch. Walk the hands back in, recross your legs, putting the leg that was in back now in the front. Get those sit bones grounded. Inhale, arms up, stretching out of the waist, forward fold over the legs. Chin lifts, sit up straight, we're going to look up to where the wall meets the ceiling. Inhale up, exhale down, chin to the chest. Inhale up, exhale down, chin to the chest. Up, down, one more time, up, down. Rotate the body to the right corner of the room. Drop your right hand to the back. Left hand comes to the knee. Look over the right shoulder. An easy twist. If it feels comfortable, you can stretch out the legs. Cross the right leg over the left. Your elbow on your right, the outside of the right knee. Look over the right shoulder. Don't forget to breathe. Exhale, let's release. Switch legs. Keeping your legs extended, the left leg goes over the right leg. Elbow comes to the outside of the left knee. Left hand comes to the back, looking over the left shoulder. And release. Let's stretch out our legs in front of us. Let's move all the fleshy bits out from under our sit bones so that we can sit up straight. Let's now turn sideways so you can see me. There we go. Legs are hip width distance apart. Inhale, arms up. Forward fold over the legs. Do what your body tells you to do. Go as far as you can. Don't overextend, don't hyperextend. We're stretching out our hamstrings. They become so tight and they become short when you have hours of sitting at a desk. Don't forget to breathe into your belly. Rebuild the spine slowly. Slap the legs out. Let's get into a wide-legged position. As comfortable as it is for you to go. Arms up wide. Stretch over. Hands to the floor. You can either sit up tall, pressing your chest towards the ceiling, or you can go as far as you can, rounding out the spine, but you're stretching out through the waist. This helps stretches out our groin, our low and middle back, as well as our hamstrings. Inhale, we're going to walk our hands over to the right leg. Place your hands at the very same spot on your leg. Keeps your alignment. Stretching over our right leg. And breathe. Inhale up, walk our hands on slowly over to the left side. We're going to bend over our left leg. Once again, place your hands in the exact same spot on your leg on either side. Bend and breathe. Warming up and stretching the spine, so we're going to get on our hands and knees, shoulder width apart with the hands, spread the fingers, dig into the earth. Knees are hip width distance apart. Round up like an alley cat. And exhale, move like a cow. Do not make these sounds out loud. Do it in your head. Because if not, people are going to look at you like you're crazy. But I like doing it because it's fun. Inhale, cat. Exhale, cow. Inhale, cat. Exhale, cow. Inhale, cat. Exhale, cow. We're going to press our heels back into child's pose. Our hips come towards our feet, hands are stretched out, arms are stretched out in front of us, forehead comes to the floor. It may be more comfortable to spread the knees and let your belly fall between your knees if it's comfortable. Come back onto hands and knees, then stretch out onto the floor, onto our elbows. Hands are flat in front of us. Chest comes forward, head comes up into cobra. is more like Sphinx, actually. If we were doing Cobra, you could rise up off the floor if it feels comfortable. We're stretching up and out of the back. Exhale down. Let's push up. Let's get onto our knees. Hands come to the lower back. We're going to push forward. Chest is widening and stretching open. We're leaning our pelvis forward for a back bend. This is camel. Don't forget to breathe. Let's go onto the floor. Gonna lay on our back. Let's hug our knees to our chest. Rock back and forth. Give us a little massage. Then stretch your legs out on either side of your mat. Hands come to your sides, palms open. Let yourself sink into the floor. Feel the floor support you as we take a few cleansing breaths here in our final Savasana, corpse pose. Completely relax from head to toe. Breathe in through your belly. Let's bring our awareness back to our body by wiggling our fingers and toes, doing circles, rubbing our hands together, rubbing our feet together, warming them. Let's roll onto our side. Just a couple breaths here. You want to give yourself this time before you have to jump up and begin your day. Using our left hand, let's push up into easy pose. Let's bring our hands into Namaste. You can have them on your lap in open position, whichever feels comfortable for you. I'd like to thank you all for joining me for this morning's quick practice as you move about your day. You can do this practice while you're at your desk. There's not too many people watching you. If you get a quiet time, it can be done on a bench, on a couch, in a chair, and it's a great way to relieve stress, and it's an opportunity to give yourself what your body needs and to energize your spine, to keep your mind aware and keep your body aware and keep the blood flowing. And it's been a great pleasure, and thank you for practicing with me. We'll see you next time. Namaste.